Here bachcho, in previous lecture you have seen about the basic introduction about cell, where I have discussed about the cell is the fundamental unit of life, cell is the structure and functional unit of life, cell have ability of division. There are different types of cells, and I also told that on the basis of the presence of nuclear membrane, absence of nuclear membrane, cell are two types, the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So today we will discuss about the prokaryotic cell. Here the cell in the cell about prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, pro plus karyon. So it is prokaryotic made up of two words, pro plus karyon. Pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. Primitive का मतलब ये है less developed. Prokaryotic cell is the primitive cell, less developed cell, because it contains less developed nucleus. So we can define the cell which contain less developed nucleus is called as prokaryotic cell. The cell which have less developed nucleus is called as prokaryotic cell. Why less developed nucleus? Because its nucleus is not surrounded with nuclear membrane. Means in such cell, nucleus membrane is not present. Nucleus membrane is totally absent. Other membrane bound cell organisms, membrane bound cell organisms like mitochondria, Golgi complex, Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum and endoplasmic reticulum are also absent. So the cell which contains less developed nucleus called a prokaryotic cell, its nucleus is not surrounded with nuclear membrane. Membrane bound cell organisms like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Chloroplast is also absent. That's why it is less developed. It contains circular DNA. It contains circular DNA. Circular DNA is found there. Histone protein is absent. Histone protein absent. Histone protein do not present. It have nucleoid. Its DNA is circular. There is no clear chromosome. That is called a nucleoid because histone protein is not there. Only DNA is there. And if we see about the structure, it is very less developed, primitive cell. Means during evolution of life, prokaryotic cell appears at first about 3,300 million years ago in primitive sea. Present day prokaryotic cell also present in the form of bacteria, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. So here we can say the example of prokaryotic cell, example of prokaryotic cell is, example of prokaryotic cell is bacteria, all bacteria, cyanobacteria, and mycoplasma are prokaryotic cell. All these are prokaryotic cell. Let us see the structure of a typical bacteria. Why we are telling it is prokaryotic cell? You see here, in a typical bacteria, here is the cell wall. This is cell wall. Cell wall is present. On the cell wall, thread-like structure, hair-like structure are present. That is called as flagella. So this is cell wall and this is flagella. And just below this cell wall, membranous structure is found, that is called as cell membrane. So cell membrane surrounds protoplasm. This is cell membrane. So outermost covering is made up of cell wall. On the cell wall there is a flagella, hair-like structure, and below the cell wall you can see here is the membranous structure, cell membrane. And here you can see the mesosome. Mesosome is nothing. This mesosome is folding of the cell membrane. This cell membrane undergo folding called as mesosome. It plays important role in division of cell. Now, and on the surface of mesosome also chain of respiratory enzymes are present, helps in respiration. And here one circular DNA is present. So circular DNA is present. It is called as nucleoid. Why nucleoid? Because here chromosome is not present. Only circular DNA is present. Here is the liquid material present inside the cell. In the last lecture I have told, you will see the video, I have told protoplasm. So here protoplasm. Here protoplasm is present. So cell wall, flagella, cell membrane surround the protoplasm. In the protoplasm, here there is no membrane bound cell organelles. Mitochondria is absent, Golgi complex is absent, endoplasmic reticulum is absent, chloroplast is absent, nuclear membrane is also not present here. Only DNA, circular DNA is present. So it is less developed. That's why this cell is called as prokaryotic cell. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. So nucleus is not present here, only the DNA is present. It is not surrounded with the nuclear membrane. There is no chromosome defined, no nuclear membrane. Total the cytoplasm and nucleoplasm present together as a protoplasm. Here is mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, all are absent. So this cell is called as prokaryotic cell, primitive cell, and here is the 70S ribosome for protein synthesis. 70S ribosome. Ribosome is particularly, it was discovered by Pilot. Ribosome plays important role in protein synthesis. In the prokaryotic cell, 70S ribosome is present. But in our body cell, in the plant body cell, eukaryotic cell, in the eukaryotic cell, 80S ribosome is present. So here, these are the few differences in prokaryotic, eukaryotic. If you will see the eukaryotic, in the eukaryotic, clear cut, the cell wall, cell membrane, here is the nucleus, and here is the chromatin material, and the other cell organs like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, all will be there. So in next lecture, we will discuss about this eukaryotic cell. We will discuss about the eukaryotic cell. Here nucleus is present, and here nucleus is not present. Here mitochondria is present. Here mitochondria is not present. Here chloroplast is present, and here chloroplast is not present. So this is the well developed, but this is prokaryotic, means less developed cell, because no nucleus membrane, no mitochondria, no Golgi complex, no endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the difference between these two. Here this prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell contain the mesosome, the cell membrane undergoing folding inside the program, the mesosomes, and here is the circular DNA. There is no membrane bound cell organ in the mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, and 70S ribosome is present. Other hand, in eukaryotic cell, 80S ribosome is present, mitochondria is present, Golgi complex is present, endoplasmic reticulum is present, nuclear membrane is present, nucleus is well defined, and chromosome is present in the eukaryotic cell. But here in the prokaryotic cell, you can see only simple the cell wall, below it cell membrane, here the mesosome, and here is all total protoplasm is present here, and here is the circular DNA, and the 70S ribosome is present. So we can say the cell which have less developed nucleus, no membrane bound cell organs, are called as prokaryotic cell. So this is a structure of a typical prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. Thank you very much. Okay.